Good morning children. Welcome to our English class. In the previous class, we were discussing about the lesson Clever Tenali Raman. I have explained the lesson to you and sent you two worksheets along with the solutions. Today, I will explain you about pronouns and its kinds. So, let us begin with pronouns. Children, do you know what are pronouns? Pronouns are an important part of English grammar. You should have a good information about pronouns. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. What is a noun? Do you know? A noun is a naming word, and a word that comes in place of a noun is known as a pronoun. For example, Rahul is absent because he is ill. Here, he comes in place of Rahul. That is a pronoun. That is why he is a pronoun. In the next example, this house is very old. It is falling down. Now here it comes in place of house. House is a noun. That is why the word that comes in place of a noun is known as pronoun. That is why in both these examples, he and it are pronouns because they come in the place of noun such as Rahul and house. Now children, pronouns are of many kinds. Today we will discuss personal pronoun. Do you know what are personal pronouns? Personal pronoun refers to some specific person, place or thing. As for example, I saw an elephant. He is a teacher. Here I and he are personal pronoun. They refer to a specific person. He refers to a specific person also. That is why I and he are personal pronouns. Now let us discuss another kind of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun refers to ownership. That is, something belongs to somebody. It shows possessiveness. It shows belongingness. As for example, this book is mine. That house is yours. The word mine and yours shows belongingness. It shows that the book belongs to me. The house belongs to you. So, mine and yours are possessive pronouns because it shows belongingness. It shows ownership of something. That is why mine and yours are possessive pronoun. Now let us discuss another kind of pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is used to point out persons or things. This is my bag. That is my school. Here, this and these are used for person and things that are near to the speaker. That and those are used for person and things that are far away from the speaker. As for example, this is my bag. This shows the bag that is near me. That is my school. It points out the school that is far away from me. That is why this and that are demonstrative pronoun. Clear, children? Now today we will also learn about opposite words. Do you know what are opposite words? Opposite words are contrast words, such as the opposite for far is near. The opposite for long is short. The opposite for big is small. You have done opposite word in your junior classes also, isn't it? So, today we will form opposite words by adding prefixes. Now, what are prefixes? Prefixes are group of letters that are joined in front of a word to make an opposite word. As for example, un. The prefix un is joined before fair to make the opposite word unfair. In the same way, the prefix I, am, im is joined with the word proper to make the opposite word improper. In the same way, the prefix I and in is joined with the word formal to make the opposite of the word formal, that is informal. So, here we have made opposite word by adding prefixes at the beginning of the root word. So, un, im and in are prefixes. They are joined to the root word to make some opposite words. So, with this, I conclude my lesson. After this, I will send you a worksheet. Try to answer them. In the evening, I will send you its solution. You will write this worksheet in your English 2 copy. Till then, stay home, stay safe.